Okay, so last lecture we had completed one question on trend analysis. This sum was done. So today I'll start with a new concept. Just note it down. This is type 5. So trend analysis was type 4. So just write here type 5. And it talks about comparative statements. Okay. Type 5 talks about comparative statements. Okay. Now, what are these comparative statements? क्वेश्चन पेपर में आपको क्या दिखेगा वो मैं बताऊंगी. Okay, see. How will you come to know in exam it's a comparative का sum? Obviously, they will mention. See, prepare a comparative revenue statement. Okay, revenue statement means the new style of P&L account. That is the vertical form. Okay. So if the same sum is prepare a trend analysis statement, then accordingly you have to make a trend analysis का sum. Comparative बोला है तो comparative का sum. Common size का sum पूछा है तो common size. Anyways, common size is the next type which we will be doing, type 6. Okay. So ये है मेरा P&L account. The old style ledger form में हमको इसको statement में convert करना है. ठीक है. 2016, 2017. So obviously जो first year है वही मेरा what is it called? Base year. The first year is the base year. And the consequent, I mean the another year is known as the next year. Okay, so don't forget that. So base year ko I generally highlight with green. So 2016 is my base year. Debit side and the credit side, which I will convert into a vertical statement. And 2017 is my next year. Okay. So ये है opening stock purchases, interest. I mean P&L बोला तो trading P&L साथ में होता है. Okay. Yeah. Next important thing is now what do you mean by the word comparison? अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ comparative analysis तो उसका meaning क्या होता है? तो if there are two students, student A and student B. Okay. Student A scores in maths 90 out of 100. Student B scores in maths 70 out of 100. Okay. And student C talks about, say, which other subject? Say accounts. Accounts में student A को आए 100, B को आए 95. So what am I doing? I'm comparing them now. Okay. So इसको आए 90, इसको आए 70. So if I'm comparing student B with student A, so what I can say, कि अरे इसके तो मार्क्स डिक्रीज रेट पे है, इसको 20 मार्क्स कम मिले इससे. ओके. अगर मैं उसको 100 से भी कंपेयर करूँ तो भी सेम प्रॉब्लम होगा, इसको 5 मार्क्स कम मिले. सो ये जो मैंने कॉलम बनाया है, दिस कॉलम व्हिच I have made, this column is either the increase column or the decrease column depending on what you are comparing. Okay. So once you are done with this, then there is something called as percentage increase or decrease. Okay. student B is how much percent less than student A? I can get the answer 20 divided by 90 into 100. I repeat, how will I get the percentage? 20 divided by 90 into 100. Okay. Same way, I can also find स्टूडेंट बी को अकाउंट्स में स्टूडेंट ए से कितना परसेंट कम मिला है. सेम लॉजिक. डिफरेंस कितना है दोनों के मार्क्स में 5 डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट इज द बेस. बेस मीन स्टूडेंट ए से मैं उसको कंपेयर कर रही हूँ 100 into 100. Okay, so this is the concept of comparative analysis. Okay, is it clear? So in comparative analysis, what you will do, you will compare the base year with the next year. You will see whether the calculations are increasing or decreasing, and accordingly, you will also calculate the percentage increase or decrease for the same. Am I clear about this? समझ में आया? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Okay, so it is Ankita only who understood. Okay, Karan, Shivangi, fine. Others did not understand. Subhi, okay. Next, fine. Thanks students for the acknowledgement. Okay, so this sum we will convert it into a comparative P&L account. Okay, comparative P&L statement. Okay, so let me get you back to this. So what is the opening stock? तो COGS के composition में ये आएगा और ये add होता है. ठीक है, opening stock add होता है. Purchases and interest on debentures. I will separately show this. ये अलग से माइनस करना है. ओके, ये फाइनेंशियल एक्सपेंस में भी जा सकता है. मैंने आप लोगों को बोला भी था. Many times I keep saying the same thing. But what did I tell you? The practical way is to show it separately. Okay, interest, whatever interest you're paying, whether interest on debentures, whether interest on any loan you have taken, you are paying. Okay, सब उधर ही जाएगा अलग से. Furniture. The furniture is used in office. The depreciation of furniture will go in admin expense. Depreciation on machinery. Machine is used in factory. So depreciation of machine will go in factory. Okay. Administrative expenses अलग से भी दिया. Very good. Selling expense अलग से दिया. Carriage outward will also go under selling and distribution expense. Loss by fire. This is non-operating expense. ओके, वेजेस ये COGS के फॉर्मूले में ऐड होगा. प्रोविजन फॉर टैक्स, ये टैक्स पे करेंगे हम. लेस NPBT, नेट प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स, लेस टैक्सेस पेड NPAT, नेट प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स. तो ये माइनस होगा. Sales, the, we know the very first item in what do you call revenue statement is sales only. Then closing stock COGS के फॉर्मूले से लेस होगा. Dividend, dividend and profit on sale of machine, they both are non-operating income. Okay, so ये add होंगे obviously because it will increase my profit balance. Okay, so now start. So this is the format of a comparative statement. Okay, so give the heading. Give the heading. Vertical, comparative, revenue statement for the year ended. Okay, and prepare these columns. Particulars column 2016, that is my base year, and 2017, that is my next year. So मैं इधर highlight भी कर देती हूँ. I will highlight the same. 2016, writing year, base year. 2017, my next year. Okay. Next column, increase or decrease the column, that we will do according to the question. Okay. And next, last column, percentage increase or decrease. You can use that upward arrow and downward arrow. Okay. Yeah. Instead of writing the full spelling. So okay, start. First complete 2016 and 17 ka column. So write down first sales 45 lakhs and 60 lakhs. 45 lakhs and 60 lakhs. इसको साथ साथ में सॉल्व भी करूंगी मैं. Just a minute. Then less cost of goods sold, COGS. Okay, COGS का what is the formula? Composition उसका is opening stock 2,25,000 and 3 lakhs. Yeah, see. Next, add purchases 22,50,000 and 3,21,000. Sorry, it is 32,10,000 students. Yeah, purchases 22,50,000 and 32,10,000. Then depreciation on plant. COGS में क्या क्या आएगा? All your direct costs like raw material, direct wages, direct expenses, factory related expenses, that is coming under COGS. Wages and closing stock. Even WIP, आपका opening closing stock of finished goods, WIP, raw materials सब इधर ही आएगा. Okay, COGS में. Okay, side by side इसको copy भी करो. That's total. Yeah. 2,25,000 plus 22,50,000 plus 36,000 plus 1,05,000, then minus 3 lakhs. So my answer is 23,16,000. Write that 23,16,000. इधर लिखो 23,16,000. Okay. COGS का टोटल. Next, 3 lakhs plus 32 lakh 10,000 plus 30,000 plus 3 lakhs minus 3 lakh 60. The answer is 34 lakh 80,000. So right here, 34 lakhs 80,000. So sales minus COGS is what? Gross profit. So now calculate gross profit. Okay, 34 lakh 80,000 minus 60,000. Sorry, 60 lakhs. So my gross profit is 25 lakhs 20,000. Next, 45 lakhs sales minus COGS 23 lakhs 16,000. So my gross profit is 21 lakh 84,000. Okay. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट मिल गया, मतलब ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट कंप्लीट हो गया. ठीक है, तो जब हम लेजर बनाते हैं ट्रेडिंग का तो ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ही मिलता है, राइट. तो ये बिना लेजर के ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट मिला, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ वर्टिकल स्टेट. नेक्स्ट, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट के बाद कम टू पीएनएल अकाउंट डेबिट साइड. तो पीएनएल अकाउंट डेबिट साइड में क्या क्या आइटम्स होता है? एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एक्सपेंस होता है, सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एक्सपेंस होता है, फाइनेंशियल एक्सपेंस होता है. तो ऑल दैट यू हैव टू राइट. ओके, राइट. नेक्स्ट, operating expense less operating expense. Operating expense means now my P&L account is starting. P&L account debits. Okay. Operating expense mein first is admin expense. Admin expense mein I have depreciation on furniture 15,000 and 15,000 for both the years. Next, administrative expense 2,94,000 and 4,41,000. Okay. Next, selling and distribution expense. Carriage outward. Carriage inward होगा तो COGS में जाएगा. Okay, because carriage inward is paid on raw material. Carriage outward is paid on finished goods. जब तुम्हारा goods बन जाता है तो it is paid for the purpose of selling and distribution activity. That is why it will go under P&L account. Then selling expense. ठीक है, तो ये रहा तुम्हारा ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. अब इसमें से माइनस करते जाओ. समझ में आया? ये आपको सिर्फ माइनस करते जाना, बिकॉज सी लेस ऑपरेटिंग एक्सपेंसेस बोला है ना. So now I'm putting this minus वाला sign. Okay. अब माइनस करो. 21,84,000 minus 15,000 minus 2,94,000 minus 75,000 minus 4,56,000. So my answer is 13,44,000. Okay, so write down 13,44,000. Okay. Next, 25,20,000 minus 15,000 minus 4,41,000 minus 3,15,000 minus 7,53,000. So the answer is 9,96,000. 9,96,000. This is called what? Net profit before interest and taxes. Okay, net profit before interest and taxes. Okay. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिवेंचर्स. तो ये जो इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिवेंचर्स है ना, ये आप ऊपर भी ले सकते थे इधर अंडर फाइनेंशियल एक्सपेंस, एक और हेडिंग डाल के ए बी सी, एक और हेडिंग डाल के फाइनेंशियल एक्सपेंस, और इसके अंडर में आप लिख सकते थे इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिवेंचर्स. बट आई टोल्ड यू नॉट टू डू इट दैट वे. It is better to show it separately. Less interest on debentures. Okay. 1,50,000 for both the years. So right now 9,96,000 में से 1,50,000 minus कर दो. So the answer is 8,46,000. So right here 8,46,000. Next 13,44,000 minus 1,50,000. So 11,94,000. 11,94,000. Okay. So this is my net profit after interest but before taxes. Okay. सब लिखना है ना. Yes. Net profit after interest and before taxes. Next. Less non-operating expense. Non-operating expenses मतलब losses. Loss by fire, loss by theft, ऐसा. Okay. Loss and sale of asset. All this comes under non-operating expense. Okay. 2016 में there was no loss by fire, so put a dash or write 0. It is up to you. 2017 में there was a loss by fire of 15,000. Okay, इधर. Next, losses minus ही करेंगे ना, profit इतना कम हो जाता है. And non-operating income I will add. What is non-operating income? Opposite of non-operating expense. Here it is loss by fire or theft. तो इधर क्या होगा? Profit and sale of machine. Profit and sale of asset, profit and sale of goods, okay, dividend received, bad debts recovery, okay, ऐसा. 5 साल पहले एक डेटर को राइट ऑफ कर दिया, 5 साल बाद आके तुमको पैसा देता है, नॉन ऑपरेटिंग इनकम. तो नॉन ऑपरेटिंग इनकम में क्या क्या है? डिविडेंड रिसीव्ड है 12,000 and 33,000. प्रॉफिट एंड सेल ऑफ मशीन है 24,000. and 2017 में कुछ नहीं है, तो put a dash or write 0. It's one and the same thing. ठीक है, अभी इसको सॉल्व करो. 9,94,000 plus 12,000 plus 24,000. So the answer is 12,30,000. Net profit before tax 12,30,000. Okay, next 8,46,000 minus 15,000 plus 33,000. So the answer is 8,64,000. So write it here, 8,64,000. Okay, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Net profit before taxes. If you want, I'm writing it here. Net profit before tax. Okay, बस एक बार NPPT मिल गया, उसके बाद less provision for taxes or tax paid. Okay, less provision for taxes or tax paid, एक ही बात है. 8,64 minus tax 4,35. So the answer is 4,29. Next, 12,30 minus 5,70. So 6,60. Okay, so this is net profit after tax. NPAT. net profit after tax. Okay. Now let us see whether our answer is right or wrong. क्रॉस चेक करते हैं. इनका आंसर कितना आया? 5,70,000 and 4,35,000. ओके, मतलब कुछ कैलकुलेशन एरर हुआ है. So let me check the calculation error. Where is it? 3 lakhs plus 32 lakh 10 plus 50,000 plus 3 lakhs minus 3 lakh 60. 34 lakh 80. This is right. Minus 60 lakhs. 25 lakh 20. ये भी right है. Next. 2 lakh 25 plus 22 lakh 50 plus 36,000 plus 1 lakh 5,000 minus 3 lakhs. The answer is 23 lakh 16,000. Minus 45 lakhs. So 21 lakh 84,000. This is also right. This is a problem. 21 lakh ये हो गया. 21 lakh 84,000 minus 15,000 minus 2 lakh 94,000 minus 75,000 minus 4 lakh 56,000. 13 lakh 44 minus 1 lakh 50. 11 lakh 94. Next, plus 12,000 plus 24,000, which is 12 lakh 30 minus 5 lakh 70. So it is 6 lakh 60 only. Why have they given this answer? Forty-six. And also have taken 3 lakh 15. Students, by the time, just give your attendance in the chat box. Fine, students, I'll check with the question. I hope the figure which they have given in this question, 5 lakh 70 and 4 lakh 35 is right figure. So let me check. ये figures मुझे check करने पड़ेंगे क्योंकि ये आंसर और हमारा आंसर सेम आना चाहिए. नहीं आ रहा है मतलब या तो क्वेश्चन में गड़बड़ है या हमने गड़बड़ किया. But I have checked. So all plus minus everything is right. We have done. Wages कितना लिया मैंने 1 lakh. ओहो अच्छा wages is now 1,95,000 है. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. The fine got the error. Wages is 1,95,000 students. Yeah, so sorry. Here. Wages is 1,95,000. Please change that there. 1,95,000. Okay. That's why I was thinking why it's not tallying. So COGS change हो जाएगा. 2,25,000 plus 22,50,000 plus 36,000 plus 1,95,000 minus 3 lakhs. 24 lakh 6,000. 24 lakh 6,000. Okay, so this will also change then. Minus 45 lakhs 20 lakh 94,000. 20 lakhs 94,000. Lakhs 94,000 minus 15,000 minus 2 lakh 94,000 minus 75,000 minus 4 lakh 56,000. 12 lakh 54,000. This means, sorry, 12 lakh 54,000. Minus 1 lakh 50, 11 lakh 4,000. Plus 12,000 plus 24,000, 11 lakh 40,000. 11 lakh 40,000 minus 5 lakh 70. Up right hand. 5 lakh 70. Now it matches. Okay. Yeah. It has to match. It has to match with this answer. I can't get this. This net profit 5 lakh 70 and 4 lakh 35. So I guess this figure is 39. I guess. कितना आ रहा है मेरा 4 lakh 35 आ रहा है. मेरा कितना आ रहा है 4 lakh 29 आ रहा है. 6 minus so even this is 39. Students just change this. This is 39. Actually the image is blur. 39 है. Okay. change होगा. This is 8. This is 8,70,000. 8,70,000. Now it tallies 4,35,000. ठीक है, मतलब ये 39 है. This figure, I thought this is 33. This is 39,000. This figure, 39,000. Okay. थोड़ा blur था वो figure, इसके लिए I thought it was 33. It is 39. Okay. So now see it tallies. It has to match. Okay, so next lecture with the same meeting ID you will follow at 11 o'clock. Same meeting ID के साथ आप join करना, and then we will complete this 2 columns and one more small sum I will take up. Okay, so this is comparative analysis. थोड़ा time waste हुआ.